Hello everyone. If your Chrome window is a jungle of tabs, this video will help you breathe again. Today's I will show you how to use Chrome's tab group to keep everything neat, fast to find and easy to switch between. It takes seconds to set up and can save you tons of stress. Let's get your browser under control. For an example here, if you can see that I have multiple tabs open on my Chrome browser and it taking a lot of space in here. If I will open few of the tabs, it will be hard to find for me to specific tab that I'm working on. So here's the option. So let's say that all these tabs open associated with my website. So I can create a group for that specific work I'm doing here. It's very easy. You just need to right click on it and there's an option add tab to new group. When you click on it, it will ask you name this group. So let's say I'll use the name my site, and you have an option here to choose colors for that, and you can just manage accordingly. So let's say that I set up this and just I click somewhere else outside, and you can see there's a group created my site. Now what you can do, it's very easy. You have to just select all your tabs that you want to group on this specific group and just do that. Now you can see that it will be underlined here with that similar color, and if I click on this my site icon, and you can see it will hide all the tabs on this group. So you can create multiple groups according to your work that you're doing on your system. And if whenever you wanted to access a specific group, just click on that group like that, and it will open or unhide all the tabs that you are working on. So it will be very easy, very efficient, and it will give you more space on your Chrome browser. I hope this video will be helpful to you, and it will enhance your productivity and efficiency while doing the work. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Thank you. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.